Welcome to English class. Now, before we begin, I would first of all want to thank you for staying through each classes and also learning English with me. It shows that you are very intentional in becoming better in English. So a very big thank you to you. Now, we are about to learn the literature part of English. And under the literature part, we are going to learn the topic folk tale. Folk tale. What is the meaning of folk tale? Now, folk tale is a word. And if you are to break down the word, we will have folk and tale. Folk and tale. Folk means people. Folk means people. Tale means story. Folk means people. Tale means story. So if you have to blend them together, we will have stories of people. Stories of people or stories told by people. Now, what is the meaning of folk tale? Folk tale is a traditional story that is told by people in a community and is passed down from one generation to another, usually by word of mouth. So like I said earlier, folk tale is a traditional story. So I'm going to write that down. Folk tale is a traditional story that is told by people in a community and it is passed down from one generation to another, usually by word of mouth. So folk tales are traditional stories, meaning they are old stories that is told by people in a community. We mean old people in a community. And how do they tell this story? They tell it by word of mouth. It is not written down. That is why they said it is usually passed down by word of mouth. These are folk tales are stories that existed long before we have there was the existence of television. Long before we had storybooks. Folk tale was in existence long before all this. Now, folk tales, like I said earlier, are stories that are passed down by word of mouth by people in a community. Now, let's go through the types of folk tales. Now, we are about to learn the types of folk tales, types of old stories that was told by people in the community. The first type of folk tale is fable. So fables are short stories that teach moral lessons. Fables are short stories that teaches moral lessons. That is, you knowing the difference between bad and good and doing the right and not doing the bad things. The characters in fables are animals that act like human. The characters in fables are animals that act like human. This animal embodies the characteristics of human. These animals in this story embodies the characteristics of human. So a human can talk, laugh, and do all those things a human can do. This character does them in the story, and the characters are animals. Now, for example, we have tortoise and the hare. Tortoise and the air. So that's the story about tortoise and the hare who engage themselves in a competition, on a race competition, and at the end tortoise won. Although tortoise was very slow, and hare thought that he would be able to win tortoise because he was way faster than tortoise. But at the end, tortoise won the competition. All right, the next type of folktale is trickster tales. Trickster tales. So these are stories about clever character, or a clever character who uses his intelligence to deceive others. So these are stories about a clever character in that story who uses his intelligence to deceive others. We know the popular animal tortoise. We also know another called spider or rabbit. So these are characters that are used to deceive others. Now we have stories like tortoise and the bird, where tortoise changed his name to all of us, and then he cheated and deceived the birds by eating all the food because they were invited to a party, and he changed his name to all of us. And when they got to the party, they said the food is given to all of you, and tortoise ate all the food. The birds were angry. They all flew down and left tortoise, and when tortoise tried to come down to earth, he broke his shell. So that is just an overview of the story. Please do well to search through the story and read it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Now, the next type of folktale is myths. These are stories that try to explain how things came to be. So there's a myth we know about the god of thunder, and Yoruba calls it the Shango, the god of thunder, that he was on earth. He was very angry, and then he chewed thunders to people, and they all died and all of that. So there's a myth like that. So all these are folk tales. Like I said earlier, folk tales are traditional stories. They are old stories. Now, lastly, for the type of folk tale, we have legend. So these are stories about heroes, kings, or great people who did something remarkable in the past. So for example, we have Queen Amina, who fought so many wars. Queen Amina of Zaria, who fought so many wars, led men to war, fought so many wars, conquered kingdoms, and she died an hero. So these stories were not written actually. They were told by people who witnessed it, and it's actually a folk tale. So if you find yourself where probably your grandparents or someone quite old decide to tell you a story that happened way back in the past, that story is a folk tale. So thank you for staying true. If this video has helped you so much, and the classes has helped you so much to get better, please do well to give the video a thumbs up, and also do well to share it out to other students who need to watch these classes so far. So thank you very much for staying true.